I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness. Today you're going to learn how to do a bird dog. To do a bird dog, you're going to get down on your hands and your knees in a tabletop position. In order to practice the position, you're going to lift your right hand up in front of you, and you're going to lift your left leg, your left knee slightly off the floor. Once you feel you're balanced enough, extend the leg. Hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds, then return to starting position. Then you lift your opposite arm and your leg. Hold it for 2 or 3 seconds, and then return. You keep alternating in this motion until you've completed the correct amount of reps for this exercise. And that's what a bird dog looks like.